Alrighty, real diff bushing. It's absolutely caked. So yeah, Rav4 2003 needs a new rear diff bushing. So two 14 mils, and then there's also two 14 mils in the middle there. And we'll get this diff to stop clunking around so much. So I've just moved the top two 14 mils. Oh, sorry. Smooth the top two. And yeah, as you can see, there's actually nothing left. So there's very little rubber holding that on. I'll pull that off. I'll give you a bit of a look. So I've got a jack holding up the diff right now. So hopefully this will let me lower it just a touch. Just so I can get a bit more access to it. Hang on. So yeah, go for those two 14 mils and then I'll show you what it looks like. So they're actually a 17 mil on the inside, not a 14. So there's the old one. Look at that. There's literally nothing holding that in there anymore. So that was completely fucked. There's a new one. Well overdue, needed doing a long time ago. Right, so for the reassembly, goes in this side, that way. I'm going to put that on the diff first with the 17 mil bolts. Jack it up into spot, smack the 14s in, and that's a job done. Nice, quick, easy one. Makes a world of difference for how comfortable the car is to drive. There it is. Fitted back in. Piece of piss, didn't even take me 10 minutes. Now it should drive smooth as butter. Legit 10-15 minute job, $100 part. Worth every second. Thanks for watching guys, nice short one this time, but hopefully that helps somebody out there. If you appreciate this video, give it a like. If you like this sort of content, subscribe is always appreciated. Finndawg out.